Hello, my dear students. So, how are you? Hope are you doing very well. Okay. So, in today's class, we are going to learn some new thing. And actually, see, we are not learning a new thing. We are learning the old thing in the new way. So, today we take the topic fraction. Okay. So, already see fraction we have to study in grade 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understand? But some changes happen. So, we try to cover all these things. Okay. So in fractions, in detail chapter, when we discuss the chapter in detail, there we discuss all these things. What is fraction? What are the types of fraction? I go in very detail, okay? But right now, today only one trick for addition, okay? So in addition, what happens? Normal addition, see, addition we get like two way. First, either proper or improper, or either mixed fraction. So today we are going to learn how to add the mixed fraction, because here when we are doing with our normal method na generally take lots of time, okay, and it's very confusing. So I try to make it very simple and very understandable, okay. So here 3 1 by 5 plus 4 1 by 5, okay. Before that, before watching this video, if you saw these questions, then how you solve? Sir, first we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, like 5 times 3, that is 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 16 by 5, again 5 times 4 is 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 5. But now no need to do all these things, okay. First we take the whole part. This part is called what? Whole part, okay. Suppose that I want to explain one thing. I am writing here 3 1 by 5. So what is the meaning of this? Here it means what? 3 completed and 1 by 5. I just try to explain with the diagram to understand better. Suppose that here I make the 1, 2, 3, 4 box. Each should I divide into 4 parts. 5 parts, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Now 3. 3 means what? Here 3 means what? All are filled. Suppose that here this is filled, this is filled, this is filled, this is filled, this is filled. So when we write here total is 5 and 5 is filled. So 5 by 5, that is equals to 1. Here again same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 5, so that become whole number 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 all are filled. Here also we write 5 by 5. Any number 3 by 3, 2 by 2, answer is same only 1. And here we said only one part. So here not all part is shaded, only one part is shaded. So that's why we write here 1 by 5. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that become 3, 3, 1 by 5. Okay. So this is the concept. Why we write 3, 1 by 5. Now for this question, what we will do now? Simple here. We add the whole number. Okay. So 4 plus 3. So it's very easy, sir. 4 plus 3, 7. So here we write 7. And in bracket we write here 1. See this bracket not for multiplication, simple bracket only. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Now this is like fraction. Na? We know that what is like fraction? Sir, fraction that have same numerator. Sorry, same denominator. So that is the like fraction. So here see 5, 5. So here simply add 7, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 by 5. So what is our answer? 7, 2 by 5. Really it's very easy, na? If you go like that, 3, 1 by 5, then you multiply 3 times 5, 15, 16 by 5 plus 21 by 5. Then again you add, it takes lots of time. But by using this method, we can do very, very easy. Okay. Now in this question, okay. So here also there is the sum whole number. So first we add the whole number. So 6 plus 4, that is going to be 10. No any problem. Now remaining one you take in the bracket for our understanding. 2 by 8 plus 3 by 4. Okay. Now see, this is not a like fraction. This is not a like fraction, na? So this is unlike fraction. Okay. So here what we have to do? We have to take the LCM of 8 and 4. What we have to do, sir, here? We have to take the LCM of 8 and 4. So if we take the LCM of 8 and 4, it's going to be 8. So it comes 2. And here 4 times 2, that is 8. So 3 times 2, that is 6. Simple one. Check in 8 table, 8 come how many times? 1 times. So that we multiply with here. So 2 times 1, that is 2. Now 4 table, 8 come how many times? so it comes 2 times. So here multiply 3 times 2. So 3 times 2, that is 6. So 2 plus 6, that is 8. 8 by 8. So what it comes? 1. Simple one. So either you can write here 10, 8 by 8, but you can write here 10 plus 1. So it means what? Our answer is what? 11. Okay. You can write here 11 by 1 also, because this is the whole number. So after doing this, we get like this. Understand? If you want to do this question in the detail, na, you can do in the detail also. I explain. Suppose that here I am just basing the 6 2 by 8 plus 4 3 by 4. See, now we are going to learn a school method. Simple. 8 times 6, that is what? Sir, 48. 48 plus 2, sir, 50. 50 by 8 plus here 4 times 4 is what, sir? 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 by 4. Now we have to take the LCM of 8 and 4. So we take the LCM of 8 and 4, that is going to be 8. Now in 8 table it come how many times? So it come 1 time. So here we write what? 50 only. Correct? Because 50 times 1 is 50. Plus, now in 4 table 8 come how many times? So it come 2 times. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So multiply 19 into 2. So that become 38. Now what we add? 0 plus 8, that is 8, and 5 plus 3, that is 8. Now divide with 8. So it is easily divisible, no? So it comes 1. Understand? So in this method we make it very easy. While doing this it takes lot of time, and here we make it really very easy. Okay? We practice 2-3 more questions to understand better. Now this time taking the example of 11 3 by 4 plus 12 1 by 9. Just try to understand. Okay, so right now no need to convert into improper fraction. Simply here this 2 is whole number. So what we do? Sir, we add these two numbers. So 11 plus 12 we do in the one part, and in another part we do 3 by 4 plus 1 by 9. So we have to focus only here. This is very easy, na? 11 plus 12. So 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 1, that is 2, sir. That's really very easy. Now here both have what is the LCM here? 36, because they have the no any common factors. Okay, so LCM is going to 36. Now in 4th table 36 come how many times? So it come 9 times. So you multiply 3 into 9, that is 27. And in 9 table 36 come how many times? Sir, 4 times. So you multiply here 4. 1 into 4, that is 4 only. So here 27 plus 4. So what it come? 31. 31 by 36. So our final answer is what? 23 31 by 36. This is our final answer. Easy or hard? Definitely easy. Okay, so you have to practice few questions, okay, to understand more better. But before that, one more question I am going to explain. Here you take any number, like I am taking 8 3 by 5 plus 9 2 by 6. Okay, so your first step we have to add the whole number. So 8 plus 9, that is going to be 17. Now here we add 3 by 5 plus 2 by 6. Now here LCM is what? 30. 6 plus 5. We know that the LCM of any regular number is their product only. Suppose that if I ask LCM of 5 and 6, 30. If I ask what is the LCM of 7 and 8? So 7, 8. Just multiply it. 7 ja 56 like that. 9 and 10, 90 like that. So LCM of any regular number is their product only. So in 5 times 6, so here we multiply 6 times 3, 18, and it comes 10. Simple one, na? 6 times 5 is 30, so 2 times 5 is 10. So it comes 17, 28 by 30. If it is reduced, you can reduce this also, no problem. So it comes 14 by 15. So this is our final answer. Understand? So when you get such type of question, na, kindly do like this, okay? So in next class we meet with some different topics, some different concepts. Till now, bye. We meet in the next class.